Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily delete chat in the TikTok app. Be sure, friends, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes under the video, and also please write your comments after watching. So let us get started with you. If you would like to delete some chat in the application TikTok, I will tell you right away that it is quite fast and easy way how to do it. First of all, please open the TikTok app itself and then go to the inbox section at the bottom. Now you will need to find the chat in which you no longer want to communicate to delete it. The next step is to swipe that chat from the right side to the left side. Like this. Then you'll need to click on the delete option to confirm your action. As you can see, instantly this chat will be deleted from all your chats. But for the future, if you want to resume communication with this person, you can find him, for example, in the list of your friends and subscribers. Or you can find him/her through the search bar in the main TikTok feed. Just enter the person's name and write to him/her again. This is the quick method to delete any chat in the TikTok app. I really hope you found the video useful and helpful. Don't forget, friends, put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon.